Want to make cooking faster, easier, and way more fun? These new and insanely useful TEMU kitchen gadgets are designed to simplify every step of meal prep. From clever tools to time-saving hacks, they'll transform the way you use your kitchen. All product links are in the description below. Say goodbye to stubborn stains with this double brush glass cleaner. 2 brushes work together to scrub your cups, bottles, and vases quickly and effortlessly. It sticks firmly to the sink with 3 strong suction cups, keeping it steady while you clean. The brushes are detachable, so anyone can take them apart and put them back without tools. Made from non-toxic BPA-free materials, it's a heavy-duty essential for families, coffee lovers, and busy kitchens. No more climbing on countertops or digging through high shelves. This pull-down cabinet organizer brings everything to you in one smooth motion. 2 spacious tiers give you easy access to spices, jars, or whatever you've stashed up high. Just pull the handle, and the whole shelf lowers gently into reach. It's built tough to handle the weight, and smart enough to make your kitchen feel twice as organized. Tired of rolling up snack bags only for them to pop open later? This handy sealer clips right onto any food bag and locks it down tight. It even has a built-in pour spout, so you can pour out cereal, sugar, or snacks without ever removing the clip. When you're done, just close the lid and it's sealed again. No spills, no ants, no stale food. It's a smart fix for every kitchen. Turning your regular soda can into a spill-proof sipper is easier than ever. These reusable lids snap right on top and seal tightly to prevent leaks. There's even a built-in straw you can pop up to sip and push down to close, with a cap that keeps things clean. The little hanging loop lets you carry it or clip it anywhere. Perfect for travel, picnics, or just keeping bugs out of your drink. Tired of lifting heavy jugs just to pour a drink? This automatic dispenser does it for you. Just press your cup against the trigger and watch the hands-free pump deliver milk, juice, or any drink without spills. The anti-overflow design keeps counters clean, and the clear bottle lets you see exactly how much is left. It's fun, easy, and even kids can use it mess-free. Say goodbye to messy rice bags and half-open cereal boxes. This rotating rice bucket makes dry food storage way more fun and functional. It spins smoothly so you can grab what you need without digging around. The sealed lid keeps everything fresh, and the thickened design means it's built to last. Whether it's rice, oats, or snacks, you'll love how tidy and easy it keeps your kitchen. Turn your kitchen into an ice station with this compact little machine. Just pour in water or any drink you want frozen, and in about 7 minutes, you'll have cute bell-shaped ice ready to go. It makes a surprising amount, fast, and holds up to 3 liters, so you're not constantly refilling. Great for parties, hot days, or just chilling your favorite drinks on demand. Watching it work is almost as fun as using the ice. Real quick, before you buy your next Amazon gadget and waste hundreds of dollars, I've put together a secret Amazon cheat sheet that shows you how to save up to 80% on every order, and it's completely free. These are the tricks most shoppers don't know about, and Amazon will hate you for knowing them. Get your free guide. Links in the description. If you're tired of uneven meat slices or struggling with a dull kitchen knife, this manual slicer might just change how you prep. It cuts fresh meat into uniform 2mm or 4mm slices, perfect for hot pot, stir fry, or jerky. With sharp steel blades, strong suction base, and an easy clean design, it delivers precision without the fuss. Compact enough to store or even mount. Tired of scrubbing microwave splatter after every meal? This foldable cover keeps your food from making a mess while doubling as a steamer to lock in moisture. It fits over large plates and bowls, folds down flat for storage, and even includes a built-in drip catcher to keep things extra clean. Plus, the integrated handle makes it super easy to lift. Everything's designed for convenience. No mess, no hassle. Small kitchen? No problem. This compact countertop dishwasher handles over 30 dishes at once without needing any installation. Just fill the built-in 5-liter tank, pick from 6 wash modes, including baby care and fruit rinse, and let it do the dirty work. It even dries everything with hot air and vents for hours to keep odors away. Perfect for apartments, RVs, or anyone tired of scrubbing by hand. Fresh pasta with zero effort? Yes, please. Just drop in your ingredients and this machine takes care of the rest, mixing them into perfect dough, then pressing it into spaghetti automatically. The clear top lets you see exactly how much dough is left, so there are no surprises mid-meal. It even comes with measuring cups to get the ratio right every time. Homemade pasta night just became a weekly thing. Why clutter your kitchen with multiple tools when one bowl can do it all? This stainless steel basin isn't just a bowl. It's a grater, strainer, and prep station in one. Slice, shred, and rinse your veggies right over the bowl. Then mix everything together without ever swapping tools. The built-in colander fits perfectly inside, and everything stacks neatly when you're done. Half a lemon, a slice of onion, or that last bit of avocado, don't let them go to waste. These reusable fruit and veggie keepers are shaped just like what they store, so they're easy to identify in a packed fridge. They stack neatly, seal tightly, and trap odors to keep your fridge fresh. Dishwasher safe and easy to reuse, they make storing cut produce way less annoying. Cooking just got way more fun and hands-free. This automatic cooking machine does the stirring, timing, and temperature control all by itself. Its 360-degree rotating pot cooks everything evenly, from stir-fries to stews to soups. You just prep the ingredients, follow the prompts, and it takes care of the rest. When you're done, the non-stick pot practically cleans itself. No scrubbing, no mess. Say goodbye to messy chopping boards and hello to effortless slicing. This cordless vegetable slicer makes prepping salads, sides, and snacks super simple. Just pop in your veggie, pick a blade, and let the one-touch rotary system do the work. It's lightweight, rechargeable, and totally cable-free, perfect for small kitchens or quick meals. With 4 interchangeable blades, you'll slice, grate, and shred in seconds. No muscle or tears required. Flipping eggs for the whole family just got way easier. This 4-cup non-stick pan lets you fry up to 4 eggs, or pancakes, or mini omelets at the same time, each in its own perfectly shaped slot. The aluminum body heats evenly, while the wooden handle stays cool and comfy to hold. A dab of butter in each cup is all it takes for a clean release. Breakfast multitasking? Handled. Great coffee shouldn't be tied to a countertop. This portable electric espresso machine lets you brew wherever you are, at home, at work, or even in the mountains. It works with capsules or ground coffee and charges via USB-C for total flexibility. Just add water, press a button, and you've got fresh espresso in minutes. Compact, quiet, and seriously convenient. It's cafe-style freedom in your hands. Washing fruits and veggies just got way more convenient. This foldable basket rinses and drains in one go, thanks to its smart built-in strainer design. It opens up wide for big batches, then folds flat to save space when you're done. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to carry, even when loaded. Lightweight, durable, and easy to clean. It's the kind of tool you'll reach for every single day. Seasoning should be simple, and this electric grinder set makes it effortless. With just one hand, you can grind salt or pepper to your preferred coarseness while cooking or serving. The built-in LED light helps you see exactly how much you're using, and the auto dust lids keep everything clean between uses. They recharge neatly on a sleek dual charging base, so they're always ready to go. Stylish, powerful, and easy to use. Say goodbye to bent spoons and rock-solid ice cream. This heated scoop warms up just enough to glide through even the hardest tub with ease. A built-in LED display shows battery life, and the rechargeable design means no batteries to juggle. It's waterproof, mess-free, and feels like magic in your hand. Whether it's for Sundays or late-night scoops, this tool makes ice cream time a whole lot smoother. Sticky messes, be gone. This clever honey dispenser lets you drizzle syrup, sauce, or honey without the drips or spills. It comes with a built-in silicone brush for smooth spreading and a storage rack to keep everything tidy between uses. Just pour, squeeze, and swipe. No spoons, no cleanup nightmare. It's reusable, easy to refill, and perfect for everything from pancakes to glazing roasted veggies. Simple, sweet, and super handy. If you're tired of bulky kitchen gadgets taking up space, this 8-in-1 Immersion Blender is your new best friend. It blends, chops, whisks, purees, you name it, all with a single handheld tool. The powerful motor tackles everything from smoothies to cooked meats, and with 16 speed settings, you're always in control. Stainless steel parts mean it's built to last. It's powerful, compact, and seriously useful for everyday cooking. Fresh juice in seconds. No cords, no noise, just pure citrus power. This manual juicer uses simple leverage to get every drop out of your lemons, limes, or oranges. The ergonomic design means less strain on your hands and more juice in your glass. It's small enough to toss in a drawer, and cleanup takes just a rinse or a quick cycle in the dishwasher. Great for kitchens, picnics, or anywhere you crave freshness. Bring a touch of elegance to your baking with this cherry blossom mooncake mold. Just press the floral stamp into your dough, and you've got beautifully detailed treats ready for the oven or the fridge, depending on your recipe. The material is durable, easy to clean, and built for repeat use. Whether you're making traditional mooncakes or creative cookies, it adds charm to every batch. Ever seen music turned into lightning? This desktop Tesla coil does exactly that. It shoots out mini bolts of electricity in sync with your favorite songs. Yes, real lightning dancing to the beat. Safe to use and fun to watch. It's like a science fair and a concert rolled into one. Just plug it in and let the plasma show begin. It's weird, wonderful, and seriously cool to have on your desk. Drawers don't have to be a jumbled mess. This expandable organizer turns chaos into neat, labeled zones for everything from makeup to office supplies. With 2 rows and 3 tiers, it stacks your stuff without wasting an inch of space. The compartments adjust to fit your needs and expand to fit almost any drawer, whether it's in the kitchen, bathroom, or desk. Organization just got a serious upgrade. Crispy fries, golden tempura, and perfect donuts start with the right pot, and this deep fryer gets it just right. It's made of stainless steel and includes a built-in thermometer, so you always know when the oil's hot enough. The wide lid doubles as a draining rack to reduce excess oil for healthier results. It works on both gas and induction stoves. Simple, safe, and ready for serious frying fun.